Good morning, students. Now, continue the assignment work. Standard 9, subject Sanskrit, section B. Answer the following question in Sanskrit. यज्ञस्य देवाम काहम अशित. तो इसका आंसर इंग्लिश में ट्रांसलेशन है हु इज़ द गॉड ऑफ सेक्रीफाइस. इसका उत्तर है यज्ञस्य देवाहम अग्नि अशित. नंबर 2, अहम की चरिष्यामिम. व्हाट एम आई गोइंग टू प्रैक्टिस. इसका उत्तर है अहम अनुतात सत्य प्रगति प्रतिगमान व्रत चरिष्यामिम. आई एम गोइंग टू प्रैक्टिस टू गो टू द ट्रूथ फ्रॉम फॉल्सहुड. नंबर 3, का तृष्या पीडित अशीत. कहम तृष्या पीडित अशीत. तो कहम चातक शिशु तृष्या पीडित अशीत. नंबर 4, चातक शिशु की पातुना अहित. तो इसका आंसर है चातक शिशु मेघजल पातुना अहित. नंबर 5, अग्नियम का भस्म करोति. तो अग्नि मुद्रेगार भस्म करोति. संतोष एवं कश्य पर परम निदानम. तो इसका आंसर है संतोष एवं पुरस्पस्य परम निदानम. नंबर 7, वेदांगनी कति संति. तो इसका आंसर है वेदांगनी षट् संति. भगवत महावीरस्य जन्म कदा अभवत. तो इसका आंसर है भगवत महावीरस्य जन्म ख्रीस्ताय पूर्व प्राय पचमस्य शताब्दा अभवत. नंबर 9, अलकाहम क्रीदृश्यम शंति. तो इसका आंसर अलकाहम चलालम नीलालम चा शंति. यूना मनम काहम अहिंति. तो इसका आंसर है कोकिलन यूनान मनम हंति. वृद्धम कपोतम का त्रिष्कुर्वन्ति शम. तो इसका आंसर है वृद्धाम कपोतम यस्य वचनेन जाले संपतन तम कपोल तिर सुकुर्वन्ति शम. 12 नंबर, जलेन सा उत्पत्त्यता विहंगम कुत्र गच्छन्ति. तो इसका आंसर है जालेन सा उत्पत्तिता विहंग हिरण्य नामक से मुस्क राज्य से समीप गच्छन्ति. जना कस्य सेवाम अड्गिन कुर्वन्ति. जना कस्य श्रवस्तद धारण्ये संन्यासनी सेवां न अड्ग्री कुर्वन्ति. कस्य त्यागेन संन्यासे त्यागम न भवति. कस्य कसास्त्रवस्त्र त्यागनेन संन्यासस्य त्यागम न भवति. Now सेक्शन बी के क्वेश्चन नंबर 2 क्वेश्चन नंबर 3 में इंग्लिश के क्वेश्चन आंसर है, इंग्लिश में ही क्वेश्चन है और आंसर दोनों लिखना है। तो मैं डायरेक्ट आपको एक साथ ही सारे क्वेश्चन आंसर करवा रही हूँ। विच स्पेशल क्वालिटीज ऑफ अग्नि देवा हैव बीन डिस्क्राइब इन द मंत्रा इन द फर्स्ट mantra of Rigved? Agnidev is described as the respecter of sacrifice and a family priest who conducts all ceremonial rites for the householder. He is the one who makes the householder perform the sacrifice. He is the god with divine luster. He wears precious gems. Number 2. Which vow has been taken from Agni? आंसर है इसका द वॉ ऑफ फॉलोइंग द पाथ ऑफ ट्रूथ, लिविंग द पाथ ऑफ फॉल्सहुड हैज़ बीन टेकन फ्रॉम अग्नि। नंबर 3. हुज दर्शंस डू द योगीज हैव? हाउ द योगीज आर एबल टू हैव दर्शना ऑफ गॉड व्हेन देयर माइंड रीचेज द स्टेज ऑफ मेडिटेशंस? Answer the following question in English. What does the Kulacharya mean? Kulacharya means conduct. Acharya followed in a family dynasty. Kul by tradition, drinking only water of the cloud was the tradition of the Chataka birds. Keeping the promise at any cost was the family tradition of the dynasty of Raghu. The idea of Kulacharya is included deeply in the mind of the whole farmer's son. Number 2. What does mother ask baby Chataka not to do? Mother asks baby Chataka not to drink the water of a lake or pond to satisfy its thirsty. She explains that drinking the rain water falling directly from the cloud is a family tradition. Drinking any other water means going against the noble tradition. Number 3. In spite of being poor, why did the farmer's sons even not touch the bag of wealth? Baby Chataka happens to overhear the conversations of the farmer and his son. The son tells the old farmer how he found the bag. Well, on his way, he reached out his hand but instantly took it back when he remembered the father's advice not taking the money belonging to other person. Was their family tradition. He left the bag where it was lying and followed by family tradition. Why did baby Chataka not drink water from the lake, from the pond या lake, कुछ भी कह सकते हैं हम. इसका आंसर है बेबी चातका वॉज इफेक्टेड बाय थर्स्ट when its mother told about their Kulacharya drinking only the water from the cloud. Baby Chataka left for the pond without paying heed to mother's advice. On the way, the conversation between the dying farmer and his son brought about a great change. Baby Chataka was convinced the observing Kulacharya was very important. So, the young bird decided to wait for the rains and abstain from drinking water from the pond. Who was the King Bhoja? King Bhoj was a lover of learning and fine arts. He was devoted to these subjects. He appreciated scholars and artists. He was also a brilliant conversationalist. Why does the youth believe him to be Ghat Pandit? The youth believed himself to be Ghat Pandit because according to him he was full knowledge as a pitcher filled with water up to its brim. When does decision between King Bhoj and the youth stop? Why? When the topic of contentment came up in the decision stopped. When contentment comes, everything becomes calm and quiet. Accordingly, their urge to excel also subsided. The decision stopped. Which 18 laws were taught and learned in Valbi? Following laws were taught and learned in Valbi. For Vedas, 6 of Vedangs, Puran, न्यायशास्त्र, मीमांसा, दर्शन, स्मृतिस, आयुर्वेदा, धनुर्वेदा, music, अथर्ववेदा, and 4 Upvedas. How many Vedas and Upvedas there? There are 4 Vedas. There are Rigveda, Yajurveda, Samveda, and Atharveda. There are 4 Upvedas. There are Ayurveda, Dhanurveda, Gandharveda, and Sataptaveda. What type of arrangement for study was there during Maitraka rule? During the Maitraka rule, after the course of study got over, there used to be an event called Shastra. Various opinions were considered. Students were required to support and prove their opinion and refute the contrary opinions. There, those who scored victory in the debate were given land as a reward by Maitraka rulers. What presbyters acharyas were there in Valbi? In the 4th century AD, Iskandar Swami, the famous scholars who wrote commentary on Rig Veda, and 2 Buddhist presbyters, Sthirmati and Gudmati, as well as Jain presbyter C. Mallavadi Suri, lived and worked in Valbi. How many qualities does a reader have? A good reader should have 6 qualities. There are follows. Number 1 sweetness, number 2 clarity of letters, number 3 isolations of words, number 4 pleasant intonations, number 5 boldness or confidence, number 6 rhythmic flow of words, cadence. What should be given to the poor? Money should be given to the poor. Whom does the poet believe to his relative? According to the poet, one who stand by him during the festival, famine, difficult period, was with the enemy as well as in the crematorium or in the royal assembly. What does the spring seasons give and to whom? The spring season bestows beauty on the water of the ponds, on the ladies wearing waistband of jewels and shining like the moon, and on the mango trees that are bent with the load of blossom. On the basis of the poem, write 5 sentences on the spring. Everything is more beautiful in the spring season. The trees are laden with flowers. Lotus adorn the ponds. The wind is fragrant. People's hearts are full of love. The red plus flowers and attractive carnicer flower make the youth lone, and the sweet notes of cuckoo and to their sweet agony. Women wear colorful flowers in their hair and enhance their beauty. What did the crow think of seeing the hunter? When Radupatanak the crow saw the hunter wandering in the forest in the morning, the crow thought it to be a bad woman. He became anxious, wondering what unforeseen bad incident would take place. The hunter appeared like the god of death of him. What did Chitragariva say to pigeons tamed by the rice grains? The pigeons saw the rice grains spread on the ground and were tempted by the sight, but Chitragariva asked them to drink, saying, "How come the rice grains are seen in this uninhabited forest? I don't think it indicates something good. A great calamity may befall us. Don't be reckless." How did pigeons free themselves from the net? When pigeons got trapped, they blamed the ornate one whose advice they had heeded. Chitragariva told him to have courage and fly utterly, taking the net with them. He told them that unity accomplishes even the seemingly impossible task. The few taking up the net and were later released from it by Chitragariva Fred's Hiryanaka, who was the king of mice. Hiryanaka cut the net with his sharp teeth. What was the going on at the ashram? Gandhiji conducted the struggle for India's freedom from ashram at Sabarmati. Why did Swami Satyadeva wish to gain entry in the ashram? Swami Satyadeva was delighted and impressed by Gandhiji's work. He wished to participate in the freedom movement and work of service started by Gandhiji. So he wished to gain entry in Gandhiji's ashram. What did Gandhiji say calmly? Gandhiji told Swami Satyadeva that what later said about being a sannyasi was true, but he had not asked to give up sannyas. Gandhiji calmly said, "I am asking you to give up only saffron clothes." How do people of our country behave with sannyasi? In our country, sannyasi are highly respected. People are very eager to serve them. Number 5. What did Satyadeva do at last after listening Gandhiji's words? After listening to Gandhiji's convincing argument, Satyadeva's doubt was removed. He gave up wearing the saffron cloth and joined Gandhiji's work. Of what does Sakra have to suffer the result? Sakra has to suffer the result of this crime. He had killed Vasanteshana and had managed to prove the Charudatta and done it. He has to suffer for this cheating. Number 2. In what form does Sakra view Charudatta now? Sakra now views Charudatta in the form of a noble person who is affectionate towards those who approach him for protection. What kind punishment does Sarvavilaka consider to give Sakra? Sarvavilaka considers to give Sakra the strict punishment. He says that Sakra should be tightly bound and be devoured by the dogs, or he should be hanged or swept down with a saw. तो यहाँ पे हमारा सेक्शन भी कंप्लीट होता है। ओके बाय.